It's the end of day 1 of my juice fast, juice cleanse, and day 1 was a success. My energy level has been very low all day. Today is Sunday, and I'm glad I started this today to give myself time to rest. But I know my energy is not from fasting because I just started that today. I have a lot of things working against me. I went to bed around 3:30 a.m. this morning, unfortunately, because I was in a lot of pain. Last night, I had a bad flare up, so I had to do a couple different things. I had to smoke, I had to take a bath, I really had to stretch, unwind, to really relax my body in order to get some sleep. So then, that's not something I wanted to deal with, of course. I wanted to go to bed at a decent hour, and that caused me to wake up late this morning. I slept through my alarm. I woke up around 10:30. I think it was 10:38. So that leads me to today and how I wanted to drink more water, but I woke up late. So I had some things working against me. And that's not the way I wanted to come into this cleanse, but I'm going to get through it regardless. So I just laid low today. I do have cramps. Cramps are brewing in my stomach, unfortunately, and with that comes the lack of energy. And I know this, and I know I get cravings. I want something sweet, and I know I can't have that. So I said, let me just rest. I laid in bed all day, which is something I do not do, but I was not feeling well. Cramps that time of the month for me, and this is just not to give TMI, but as an FYI, with trigeminal neuralgia, with my nerve pain, anything going on in the gut, it's related, closely related. So I know that that's one of the reasons my nerve pain is so high. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say probably between a 5 and a 6, and like cutting down deep down, like the bottom of my jaw, and it's very uncomfortable. So I know those days are coming to an end though. So let me wrap this up. I only drank 16 ounces of juice today. I drank this little mason jar that I showed you all. I'm just taking it. I drank that, which was 8 ounces in there, and half of my other jar. So I only drank 16 ounces today, surprisingly. Didn't have much of an appetite, but then all of that has to do with that time of the month being around the corner for me, and me having cramps, and this is normal before my cycle. So that's kind of, I guess, helping me in the sense where I'm not starving. But all in all, I feel great. Just very low energy. I did have a lot of rumbling in my stomach today. She is like, hello, did you forget about me? So herbs, I drank my nettles and valerian. These are the 2 herbs mixed in here. I drank 16 ounces of this today, and I'm going to drink another 16 ounces before bed. Also included in that, my vervain, vervain powder. I mixed that in as well. I told you about the juice. The herbs I took my Cascara Sagrada this morning, 3 of these. Il Below capsules from Moessence. The Bo2 capsules from Moessence. Sea moss capsules from Moessence. And my oil of oregano. That's it. All right, you guys. I will check in a couple days this week. Also, let me start that over. I have to take my weights. I'll do that as well. Anything else that I can think of? I'm very, very bloated. Very, very bloated. I don't know if that has to do with me not eating. Like, I'm really bloated. Like you would think I had a lot of food to eat, and I haven't had any food. I'm gonna keep it at 16 ounces of juice. So before bed, I'm just gonna probably drink my herbs, my tea. And I'm tired, so let me go smoke, and go to bed. Smoke, soak, and go to bed. All right. Peace.